Email marketing for beginners, tips, tools, and advantages. Email is one of the oldest tools that people use for marketing. It is one of the cheapest marketing methods used even today. Now there are various tools available to quicken the whole email marketing process. But
before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
For beginners who want to start email marketing and do not know the ins and outs of the process, here are some simple steps to guide you through the email marketing process. Before that, if you want to become an expert in email marketing and other forms of digital marketing, check out our digital marketing course at Sprint Seal. Without further ado, let's dive in. Steps to starting your email marketing journey. Knowing your audience. You should know the demographics of your audience and provide an email that can cater to their needs and help them look for things they want effectively. Setting goals. You should not keep your expectations too high or too low. You should set realistic goals. Remember to assess your strengths and weaknesses, and based on that, you should strategize on how to increase your customer count and provide them value through your products and services. Setting definable goals can help create a solid base for your campaign. Making a credible list of contacts. While one can go about the process by meeting people one by one and securing their emails, it is very time-consuming to put it into practice. To save your precious time, you can use some of the free tools solely built for this purpose. OmniSend and Sendinblue are some of the best available. We will go into the details of this in the upcoming headings. After getting the list of contacts, it's time to engage your audience through your emails. Try to build trust between yourself and your customers. Crafting outstanding email subject lines will ensure your emails are opened and read. Customizing your emails according to the needs of your customers will guarantee a relationship that will last for years, and thereby you gain permanent customers who are loyal to you. Consistent efforts in creating content. Coming up with new content can be tiring, but if done correctly, it can provide a significant number of faithful customers. One can hire freelancers to create the content for you, or you can come up with your own original content for your emails in order to engage your customers. Content creation for your email campaign can help you engage the customers and keep them occupied. By following the above-mentioned steps, you can create your own email marketing campaigns and promote your brand. Improve your marketing skills further by learning what is SEO from our blogs. List of email marketing tools. Sendinblue. This tool provides you with 300 emails per day on the free version, while the paid versions remove the sending limit and provide various plans that one can choose from and subscribe to according to our needs. The paid plan starts at $25 per month. OmniSend. This tool serves a similar function to Sendinblue, but provides 500 emails per day instead. This tool is used not only for email marketing, but for other types of marketing as well. Its paid plans start from $16 per month. MailChimp. This tool's free plan starts with 2,000 subscribers and 10,000 emails per month. Paid plan starts from $9.99 per month. You can use the free versions of these tools, but if you want to get ahead of the competition, it is recommended that you use the paid versions. Some of the tools can cost quite a bit of money. You should find the ones that best work for you. Advantages of email marketing. An email is a cost-effective way of marketing. It does not cost any money to send an email. It can spread quickly and reach many people within a short period of time, as all one must do is forward the mail to their acquaintances, and they will, in turn, forward it to their acquaintances. This will help the email reach a larger audience. It is less intrusive when compared to telephonic marketing. One can just read the email whenever one wants and not be forced to hear unnecessary chatter, which is a characteristic of telephonic marketing. One can personalize an email and suit the needs and likes of a customer or a group of customers. If done right, it can result in increased sales. Adding designs for embellishment. Decorating your email can help in attracting the attention of your customers towards your product or service. Advanced tips for professionals. Clearing invalid or non-existent emails. By cleaning up all the invalid emails from your list, you should be able to make room for the ones that are genuine. As we read earlier, there is a limit to the number of emails that can be sent through a free plan. People who cannot afford the paid version of a marketing tool should be selective of their list of recipients. Thus, this method is useful for these people. Defining your goal. For a successful campaign, you should know precisely about the value of the product you are offering to the customer. Without knowing the value of your product, can you explain to your audiences its features? Good designing practices. With the technology present today, one can add original designs or select from the methods available in the templates. One should also be careful about the contrast between the design and the content of the email. In case they do not complement each other well, there is a chance of losing customers. Proofreading and editing the final copy. One should make sure that there are no errors in the final copy and that it is able to convey the exact message that it was intended to convey.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.